This film will show you how to use the ApneaLink screening device correctly. Usually, you'll find the nasal cannula already attached to the device. This is to monitor your breathing. The ApneaLink set contains the ApneaLink recorder with a nasal cannula and chest strap. Optional oximetry accessories may include a finger sensor, an oximeter, and an attachment clip. Loop the ApneaLink strap with the ApneaLink attached on one side around your chest. Now pull the other end of the strap through and fix it in place with the Velcro tab. The strap should fit comfortably both standing and lying down. Guide the nasal cannula under the strap to hold it in place. Insert the two nasal probes into your nostrils. Make sure the probes curve towards your face and not away from it. Loop the cannula around your ears. The bottom of the cannula with the slider should be in front, resting on your chest. Push the slider up below your chin and you're done. For extra security, you can place a small piece of medical tape over the cannula on your cheeks. If it's a strange sensation at first, this usually disappears after a few minutes once the nose tubes have adapted to body temperature. Are you also doing oximetry? First, attach the finger sensor. A long-sleeve pajama top will help secure the wire. Simply guide it through the sleeve. The sensor measures not only your heart rate, but also the oxygen concentration in your blood. Don't worry, it's all done with light through your fingernail. For this reason, you should first remove any nail polish or false nails. Put the flexi wrap on the sensor if it's not already attached. There are slots on the plaster which show you the correct position. The sensor goes on your index, middle or ring finger on your left or right hand. Peel the protective film away from the adhesive surface. First, place the sensor on your fingertip, ensuring the top and bottom of the sensor are aligned vertically around your finger so the light goes through your fingertip in a straight line. Stick down the side tabs of the wrap and then the front tab. The tip of your finger is now completely covered. Finally, fix the sensor cable in place using the long strip of tape. If your set includes a reusable sensor, you simply clip it onto your finger. The actual oximetry measurements are performed by the oximeter. Carefully connect the grey oximeter to the black sensor plug. The connection must be secure. Push the X pod into the attachment clip until you hear it click into place. Now hook the clip on the chest strap. It's important to remember to plug the oximeter into the recorder. Pay attention to the guide notches on the plug. You should hear the plug click into place. Feeling sleepy? Then it's time to start the recording with the ApneaLink screening device. To start recording, hold down the Start/Stop button until the signal light shows green. This happens after 1 or 2 seconds. The signal light shows you whether the ApneaLink has correctly detected your breathing rhythm. The green light should light up as you breathe in and go out as you breathe out. You can tell if the system as a whole is working properly if you're taking oximetry measurements. After starting the recording, watch the green light for around 30 seconds. If it turns red, the oximeter has not been able to detect your pulse rate. Does the fingertip sensor have good contact with your finger? Is the oximeter plugged in securely? Please check. Once everything is okay, the light switches back from red to green. Everything else is done automatically while you're asleep. Even if your sleep is occasionally interrupted, leave the screening device switched on if you have to get up. And the following morning, stop the recording. To do so, press briefly on the Start/Stop button 3 times. You'll see the green light goes out. What should you do now? Gather up the ApneaLink screening device and all of the oximetry accessories if you have them. Pack everything into the bag. Return the ApneaLink set to your doctor. He or she will be able to analyze your data and direct you on the next steps if they're needed.